Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're diving into a tool that just might be the next secret weapon for your content creation. It's called MemeNgin. We're going to break down what it is, who it's for, and maybe help you decide if it's the right fit for your creative toolbox. So let's just jump right in. Have you ever had this brilliant idea for a meme, but when you actually tried to make it, you just got bogged down in some clunky, overly complicated photo editor? Yeah, it's a common struggle. Let's be real. Modern memes are way more than just text on a picture. They're an art form, and making them can be surprisingly tough.
Well, today we're looking at a piece of software designed to fix that exact problem. It's called MemeNgin, and it's built from the ground up to be your very own dedicated meme-making engine.
So, what is it exactly? At its heart, MemeNgin is a purpose-built tool for creating memes from scratch. Instead of wrestling with a general-purpose photo editor, you get a specialized engine designed specifically for this unique kind of content. That's the whole idea here.
The actual workflow is pretty straightforward. You start by editing your images, changing shapes, tweaking colors, then you add your text and slap on some effects. But the real magic comes in that final step, where you use something called compositing nodes to combine everything. Just think of nodes as these little building blocks that let you layer and connect all the different parts of your design in a really flexible, non-destructive way. It's pretty powerful. Now, what's really clever about MemeNgin is that it's designed for two totally different types of creators. It's not a one-size-fits-all tool, which, let me tell you, is a huge advantage. In that flexibility is everything. So if you're a beginner or you just need to whip something up really fast, you can just grab a template from the Steam Workshop and get going immediately. But if you're a power user who wants to build something totally unique from the ground up, you can dive into those compositing nodes and have complete, total creative control. And speaking of community, that's another core part of MemeNgin. It's completely open source. You can literally go on GitHub, check out the entire project, see how it all works under the hood, and even contribute to its development. So this isn't just a tool, it's a community-driven project.
So the features sound pretty promising, but how does this thing actually perform in the real world? Well, let's take a look at what a user had to say, because their review really highlights some of the tool's biggest strengths. This user points out the software's great potential, but they really focus on a very specific use case, creating templates for stuff you have to do over and over again. And that's a really, really interesting insight. And this is where we see the tool's true potential really shine. It's not just for memes. Think about it. Creating custom Steam avatars, community banners for your Discord server, or pretty much any other graphic where you're just constantly swapping out text and images. MemeNgin could be a massive time saver for that kind of repetitive work. Okay, so if you're interested and you're thinking about giving MemeNgin a try, here's everything you need to know to get started. So here are the key details. MemeNgin is available for Windows, and you get it on the Steam store. It is a paid app, but it has gone on sale for 20% off in the past, so it might be a good one to add to your wish list and keep an eye on.
But here's the best part. Honestly, this is the real kicker. Thanks to Steam's refund policy, you can try out every single feature of this software without any financial risk at all.
And the key to all this is the number 2. So what's so special about the number 2? It means you have a 2-hour window to test everything. You can download the software, create a few projects, and really see if it fits your workflow. If it's not for you, no problem. You can get a full refund as long as you're within those 2 hours. It's the ultimate try before you buy. So, is MemeNgin the open-source meme tool we've all been waiting for? Well, with its flexible workflow, that strong community focus, and a completely risk-free trial, it's definitely a compelling option. The only way to know for sure if it's the right fit for your creative process is to give it a try.